Do you want to achieve something in your life? And have you been attending webinars after webinars, watching a lot of videos on YouTube, following people on Instagram, reading a lot of materials on blogs and websites? My name is Jose Michael. I'm an educator and a motivational speaker. I would like to give you some insights about how you can turn your dream into reality. Everyone wants to accomplish something in their lives. I hope even you want to do one. Absolutely, I wish all the very best. Whatever you have planned, you execute and get the results. And when are you going to take the action? That's my question. Now, if you're planning something in your mind, and if you put it on Google to refer something, there are 10 things which are going to come what you are just planning. So, make that execution part quick. Now, what stops you? Let us talk about that and how we can overcome. The first and foremost thing, if you want to do something, is that the negativity which comes in your mind. And in Hindi we say, no, agar nahi hua to. Agar nahi hua to. It's always a nahi hua to. What if agar ho gaya to? You get my point? So it's not about agar nahi hua to, agar ho gaya to. So have that positivity in your approach. Whenever you have a plan or something like that, have a very good positive mindset when you do something. So refrain from all the negative thoughts. Yeah, of course you think about the the risk factor or the failure factor later, but then at least start. Don't think about that. Think positive and then just start. Second thing is we think about a lot of major resources. Don't go for major resources. If you want to share your knowledge on YouTube, shoot a video on a smartphone, that's fine, and upload it. Simple as that. Once you get some responses from people and then you see good, it's going good, then you can go ahead and buy some DSLR camera or something like that. But on the initial stage, don't invest much on any of the projects. If you have enough of money, that's absolutely fine. But my piece of advice, if you're starting something, and it's your hard-earned money, okay, maybe it's your investment or from your parents or from your friends, it's your hard-earned money, people's money. So invest it wisely. Okay, so major investments are not required in the initial stage. You can do it later, but initially start with limited resources. Now the third thing is we think about people. Yes, absolutely. What will people think about if I fail? Criticism, being judgmental, so people are going to be judgmental. That's fine. You have to do your job and let them talk and let them think whatever they want to. But you take the step. Whatever is in your mind, please do it. Take that first step. Then later comes the most important point about perfectionism. There is nothing called perfect on this planet because there is always a room for improvement. Always there is a scope of betterment always. Yeah. So when you chase perfectionism, you achieve excellence. That's what our work become excellent. We don't become perfect. I don't say this is my perfect video. No. I will learn something from this video, some mistakes, something to be improved, improvised. I will do it in the next video. So day by day, month by month, year by year, you can always have that consistency, a hard work which you have to put in to improve and become successful. It's not an overnight job. So if you have something in your mind to be done, please do it. See to it that it is not harming you and it is not harming others. So go ahead and take that first step. Think, plan and just do it. Don't worry about anything, just do it. Later on you can see other risk, and you don't at once you improvise something, you take action, then you can improvise things slowly and gradually. You'll get to know many things later. So if you're still at the planning stage, go fast, quickly execute as simple work as possible. Even if you want to do something for your own, something for others, see to it that you start today itself. Start now. Whenever you watch the video, the next 2 minutes, take some action accordingly. If you want to start an Instagram page, please go and register and start one account. That's it. Want to go to a gym? Start calling the nearby gym. Just ask for inquiry. Just take that step. So see to it that do something good for you do something good for others, which will also benefit you in the long run. So thank you very much. I hope this video has helped you. And if you are planning to start something after watching this video, you have started something, it can be very simple thing. You can put in the comment box. It will be really motivating for me that you have started something what you're planning for a very, very long time. So thank you very much. I hope I have contributed a little bit thing on your mind and to achieve something. So thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.